Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm coming to you with a unit review that I got from the beauty supply store. This was on sale for $27. I got it in this blonde color, and then I actually got it in, you probably can't tell, but this purple pink color. I actually got it in that too. What happened? Ooh, look at that hair. Huh? Can we stop at McDonald's before church? I'll think about it. Let me do my video and we can stop. If she buy me McDonald's. Anyways, so I bought two of these, $27 each. This one is called Ayat. If you want to look for it, it's by Genius. It's an invisible part L-shaped wig, and you guys know I like the flat look, and I was able to see through the back of the package, and I was able to see that it was blonde. So this is it out of the package. It is not, of course, for $27 human hair. I can't do anything with it as far as that. I was looking for something to get me by. I do have two virgin lace front wigs that I haven't opened yet, but I didn't want to open them yet. I wanted something to get me through. I have an event in March, and we're like in the second week of February. So I wanted something to get me through to then, and then I'm going to get braids to go out of town for my birthday. So I didn't want to open my units yet. This is what she looks like. I love the color. I might have to go back and get one more of these. Love the color. That's what she looks like. Let me see how this is rolling, because here's the lace that's on front that I'm getting ready to cut off. I like that it's breathable. If I need to scratch my head, I can scratch my head. I like that it's thick enough where you can't see the tracks. A lot of times when you buy blonde wigs, especially in the virgin wigs, what makes me mad about them is you can see the tracks. And I don't know why they do that when it comes to blonde hair. They don't do it with black and red. And I actually tried to get this in a 99J or red color. They did not have it. If I like this, I'm going to go back and get two more at $27 if they're still on sale, because it's good to have for a backup. You know, something to throw on for a backup. Because my other wigs, I pay, most of my wigs I get off of AliExpress or Amazon. And to get them already blonde, I pay probably $115, between $115, $127. I think I paid $135 once. But like I said, I don't really want to open those yet. So I cut the lace off. I should have let, you know what? The mistake I keep making, I'm not a baby hair person. But the mistake I keep making is I cut the lace all the way off. And I wanted to try to leave a little bit of lace this time. Okay. Well, when I get the next one, or my pink one that I have, because I cut the lace all the way off, I think I want to try to leave an inch of lace. But let's see how this goes. Now, this is how I normally do it. But like I said, there's two combs here. I love that. There's a comb in the back and straps. I love that. So let's see. It's already at a middle part. It's hot in this bathroom. It's already at a middle part, and it's good. I didn't want it that long. It falls right there, which is good. Let's see. Okay, I've turned that to the right a little bit, which is how I normally like them. But here she is in the middle. I have my freeze spray, but honestly, I don't feel like she needs to be sprayed at all. Here's the comb. Here's the comb. I should have tightened the strap a little bit more, but I might take it off and do that. Here's the comb. Now see right there? Right there. This needs to be cut. Let me move it down some. This needs to be cut. I could have left a little bit of lace. It's not that bad without me leaving a little bit of lace. So that's not bad. I need to gel this. Yeah, but this needs to be cut. It's on my ear. So I'm gonna have to cut that. But I'm trying to see if I need to spray it down before I cut it. But this, I don't want to cut too much. It needs to be cut.
Still in
Yeah. But I might be able to. Gel it. Get a little bit of gel. A little bit of gel. Put some gel right there. Gel right there.
Okay, include a makeup tutorial.
Makeup to the right. Eyebrows to the right. Okay. Make sure I get all the strands out from cutting the lace off, because anytime you cut the lace off, you cut like the tracks where they have the hair at. So I might have to go get one more of these as a backup. This was $27 from Elegant.
Elegant?
And I got the this color that's on here, the pink. I got that. Pinkish purplish. All right, so this is her. She's not bad. It seems like a lot of hair for me. I'll wear it loose today for work. I'll probably put her in a ponytail, because one thing about these synthetic wigs too, if you're not careful, they just put so much hair on here. Probably wear it in a ponytail for work, but today for church, I will wear her down. I have the part a little bit to the right, so I didn't cut too much off this side because I may shift it to the middle and I don't want it to be off. So that is what she looks like. It feels nice. If I just should, it didn't say how many inches it was. Feels like it's about 14 inches, which is not bad, because the longer you get it, the more it's gonna tangle. And that's what I don't want. Brush wig to remove tangles. Somebody said you should never ever brush synthetic wigs. So I'm not sure why it says brush. What I think I'm going to do is find one of those large wide tooth combs, because somebody said you should never ever brush synthetic wigs. That's why they start tangling and don't last. I think I'm going to find a very, very large wide tooth comb and use it for my synthetic wigs, and just sit there and kind of comb the ends if it start getting tangled, and see if that makes a difference. Because they always tell you to brush the wig, start at the ends and work your way up. But it almost makes sense to me that you shouldn't brush them, because the more you brush them, you loosen them up and then they start to tangle. So this one can be washed in the sink with warm water, mild shampoo, and then rinse to dry. And then it says you can use a leave-in conditioner. I don't put anything on my synthetic wigs. When they start getting too bad, I just get rid of them. If this one lasts pretty good, I may try to wash it and use a wide tooth comb and a leave-in conditioner and try to comb it out and see how it does. It says you can do that. Let it dry naturally by placing it on a mannequin head. It has the L-shaped part right here, so it's almost like I can get, and the part it is deep. It's not one of those little parts. It's a deep part, so I can get a pretty good part out of this. It says premium quality. Right now, overall, I am satisfied with it. This is M16/144/KB88. If you look for this online, or if you're interested in this unit, it was $27 in the beauty supply store. It may not be, oh, it's hot in here. May not be $27 where you are. It was $27 here. Like I said, next time I get one, I'm gonna leave a little bit of lace. I don't want baby hairs. I feel like I'm past the baby hair stage. I had baby hairs when I was a baby. I don't need baby hairs at my age. I'm just not a baby hair person. I feel like baby hair is like really too old for that. But I would have liked to leave a little bit of lace just to spray it down and get a little bit of edges. I kind of don't need it so much with this one though. Like this is what I like. It lays perfect around here. I really don't need baby hairs or whatever. It lays really good for a wig or a unit. I mean, of course, you know it's a wig, but it still lays really good for a wig or a unit. It's laying flat. I'm gonna see how this is on my ear. Let me turn it some more. Let's see. It's not bothering my ear too much, but I need to see how it bothers my ear when I put my glasses on. So I turned it some more towards the middle. I'm going to wear it for the day and see how it does. I may have to cut a little bit around the ear again when I wear my glasses. So I'm going to put my glasses on and see how it looks. So if you guys are interested, this is the unit. Very nice and pretty. Goes right above the bra line, which is where I want it. I don't want it all the way down to my butt, because when you sit down and stuff and you rub it on your car seat, you rub it on a bench or a chair, that's when the tangling starts. So for it to stop right above my bra strap is absolutely perfect for me. I'm going to throw my trash away. And when I do the pink one and put it on, I will try to come to y'all with a video on the pink one. And yeah, she getting it in over there. She want to go to McDonald's. She better get in a little bit faster. See y'all in the next video.